welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. It looks like this, but yeah, this is basically my face and this is how it looks in the end. If you guys like to see how I feel about the foundation, get into the nitty-gritty and the details of it, just keep on watching. I'll see you guys in the end. Bye.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that I adore.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back again with another video. And in today's video it's another review. I actually really enjoy doing reviews because I like just trying new makeup out. I feel like it's just me when it comes to reviews, because it's like I just like trying new makeup, because every time I see something new I'm like, I want that. So I just think it's kind of my thing at this point. But anyways, so in today's video we will be trying out the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is what it looks like. I got this in the shade 15 Neutral. I kind of shade match myself. I've never tried a Charlotte Tilbury foundation before, so I wasn't quite sure what shade I was, but I just shade match myself using like the swatches, and I kind of just guessed. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, so if you guys are my shade or similar, let's see if this is gonna match them. Hopefully maybe you guys can get this shade too. Okay, so the first thing is, I think the packaging is quite cool. It looks like this, but I feel like there's a lot going on. Like there's a lot of writing literally covering the whole package, or at least on the paper packaging. So it's like, where do you look at kind of thing. So I'm a bit confused of where to look at, but other than that it looks quite sleek, and I like the bottle of the actual packaging. It's definitely travel friendly. Yeah, so let's just go into the product information. Let's see what the foundation is meant to give us, girls and guys. It states and claims, hopefully, that it's meant to make your skin look beautifully hydrated, plump, smoother and brighter. So it says it's a medium coverage foundation, so it's definitely a hydrating foundation that is meant to give you like an instant glow. So it says medium coverage. Let's see how that turns out. So it's got like a brightening rose complex and hydrating hyaluronic acid to improve the look of your skin with each wear. I think that's quite interesting. I think that's kind of what stood out to me when I saw this foundation and made me want to try it, because I feel like I've never seen a foundation that's meant to improve your skin every time you wear it. Like I think that's gonna make, I think it's a good statement, because like people are gonna assume, oh, let's wear this foundation because my skin's gonna get better, when that's kind of not what people think when it comes to makeup. You don't really think, oh, makeup improves your skin. A lot of people tend to feel like makeup is the cause of, you know, acne, bad skin, when it's really not. Yeah, so I think that's kind of unique. It was a bit different. I was like, okay, so it's got hyaluronic acid, which is meant to improve your skin every time you wear the foundation. If you see me wearing this foundation every day, just know why. But yeah, so it's just meant to give you a healthy looking skin day, basically, every day. So yeah, that's basically, it's long lasting. It says it's got a 16-hour wear. I don't know about that, because especially if it's hydrating, I don't know any hydrating foundation to last that long, because of like it's hydrating, it's got a lot of oils in it. So but we'll see about that. But that's basically it. So far it sounds good. It's definitely the improvement of the skin that's really stuck to me. I maybe want to try it, but let's see. Okay. So let's go in and let's see what it's gonna give. I feel weird with these earrings. I don't really like wearing earrings like this. I'm trying something new. Okay, So I think it's got a pump. Yep, it's got a pump. So you just pump the product onto your hand or wherever your skin. I'm gonna pump this onto the back of my hand. I'm gonna do about like, I don't know how many pumps it is, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do like, I've got one full pump. This is what one full pump looks like. The shade match looks pretty good so far, so I'm excited about that. I don't even know what to apply to. All my brushes are dirty, so it's quite difficult to do this because like I have no clean brushes, and I really wanted to use a foundation, a brush for this method, but I don't have any clean brushes, and I don't want. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply with my hand because I don't have any clean brushes right now. So let's see. I'm gonna do one side first, and when I like apply it onto my face, it feels a bit thick. Like I don't know. Like when I touch the foundation on the back of my hand, I'm placing it. It feels kind of like a thick formula, not too thick where it's like heavy, but it just feels a lot more thicker than I would have imagined. And it looks like a good shade match right now. I feel like it might even be perfect. It's definitely really easy to blend out. It's definitely hydrating. It's not matte at all, and it's definitely medium coverage because I can still see like any dark areas that I have on my skin, and it definitely feels light on the skin. Like I can't feel it at all like foundation wear, and it kind of just makes your skin look like your skin but in a better version. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. Oh, we'll apply foundation with my fingers. This is so not me. The bottle. Why has the lighting changed? It looks more cool tone. That is weird. Okay, I put on the foundation. I've got one light layer, and this is what it's looking like. As I'm looking at it and it's like seeping into my skin, it's starting to look like I don't have foundation on. Like it's starting to look like just my skin. I don't know if you guys can tell. I really like the foundation so far. It actually gives like a healthy glow almost. Like it looks like really good skin, and I feel like for people that don't like heavy foundations, that don't like foundations, that just wear foundation out, it's really nice because I've still got like some coverage, but you can really still see my skin through it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but in in real life, you can still see like my skin and just see the glow. And yeah, so I feel like this foundation actually does achieve what it wants to achieve, like looking like skin. It's definitely hydrating. It's not like oily, it's like glowy in the right areas. Like I've got a glow here, a glow here, you know. And also when I ordered this did come with it came with some samples. I was able to get 3 samples with this. In total they have about 30 shades to choose from, one being the lightest being 1 neutral and the darkest being 17 neutral. And the shade I used today was 15 neutral. I feel like I probably could have gone down to 14 neutral or even 14 cool, either one of those. This shade ain't bad at all. I just feel like when it mixes into your skin it just gets a little bit darker. But yeah, so I did get some samples of other shades. So I've got, I feel like you guys fit into any of these categories. I'm going to say them for you one more time. 16 cool, 10 neutral, 8 neutral, 6 neutral, 4 neutral and 1 neutral. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like with the rest of my face done and how it just looks. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like now that everything has been completed. I really like the finish of it. It's a really smooth satin finish. It looks really like smooth, like you can't really see much texture to the skin, which is really nice. Even though I've got makeup on, you can still see my skin, which is quite nice to see. Like, it still gives the element of like natural, I don't know, gives it natural in terms of like, you can still see my skin underneath. Like if you was to see me, you could still see like the layer of my skin, but then it looks improved kind of way, like improved in terms of like it looks a lot more, you know, even. I only used one layer of foundation for this whole routine. I didn't even add any more, so this is basically just one layer. So I feel like it would be buildable if you wanted to achieve that fuller look, but I kind of went for the skin finish look because that's kind of what the foundation was representing. So I don't know why I'm squinting, but I would love to see how if this really improves my skin over time wearing this. So I'm definitely gonna wear it again and maybe a couple more times to see if like my skin would improve over time. I generally don't understand how it's gonna work, because it's like, are you gonna have to wear makeup all the time to be able to see a difference, or is it every time you wear it, when you remove your makeup, your skin is gonna look a lot more, you know, smooth and like, I don't know. But we'll see about that. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.